Hi, my name is Haley Wood, and this is my EDL 856 Module 1 Personal Introduction video. I am currently a 5th and 6th grade math and science teacher at Maxville Elementary School in Maxville, Kansas. We are a small 1A school, and this is my first year in this district. I had previously taught at some larger schools, so this will be my first time getting back at a smaller school similar to the size of what I went to when I was in elementary school. I think it is very important to develop strong relationships with parents as well as community members in the district. Parents are valuable resources in helping with the student's education, and it's also very important to get the community involved so they can provide resources and tools, but also just kind of so they have a want to and a desire to help those students in ways that they can. Ways that I would try and help improve communication with my students. This is one of the easiest things I feel to do as a teacher because we're around the students every day. It's a little bit harder to get that communication with the parents. And at the 5th and 6th grade level, we're kind of trying to make the students be more independent. So we kind of want to rely a little bit less on the parents, but yet it's still important that they understand what's going on and they are given tools that they can use to help their students. Something that my previous school did was our administrator wanted us to contact the parents within the first few weeks of school and just introduce ourselves and kind of say something positive about the students. And I think this is something I would like to continue at my current school. I think it's a really good way to develop that relationship with the parents, and you always want the first contact with them to be positive instead of calling up and talking about negative behavior issues. So it'll be easier to have the parents on our side and just develop that relationship if you kind of first started off on the right foot. And as an administrator, this is something I would also like to kind of encourage my staff to do, just to start the year off on the right foot and developing those relationships. It's also important to kind of continue that as the year goes on and not just the beginning of the year, but that's a good first step. Administration, just constantly going to them when necessary and being open that they can come into my classroom whenever is a good way to kind of develop that relationship there. So I'm looking forward to learning a lot from this class and all of you. Thanks for watching.